Welcome to Swamp Bites, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Hillary Ake, sports performance dietitian here at the University of Florida. Today I'm going to walk you through a healthy and delicious recipe while cooking with natural gas. Today we're going to be making protein-packed peanut butter cups. First I'm going to melt the chocolate chips. One of the great things about using gas when melting chocolate is that I have great temperature control. Chocolate can burn easily, but with gas I can cool the stove quickly. Prepare a muffin tin by spooning half the chocolate at the bottom of each cup and then freezing till solid. We use a natural peanut butter solely because it has more oil separation. The protein powder we add in will soak up some of that oil. There's not an exact measurement for the protein powder, we just want the mixture to be thick. After spooning the peanut butter mixture in each cup, top with the rest of the melted chocolate and freeze. It's nice to provide our athletes with a dessert that's a little bit healthier than other options. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can use natural gas at your next tailgate, in your home, or at your business, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.